another episode of Mini Makeovers with your host, Miss V, right here on Missdiyzw. In the studio with us today is Nash, whose life is on the verge of being ruined. Take a look.
Friend, can you believe what Joyce did to me? Like, I took this fabric to Joyce like a million years ago, and I went there today, and she hadn't done what I asked her to do. Make me a simple dress, Joyce. Like, hello? Friend, what am I going to do? You know I was supposed to wear this dress today. Oh, this? Oh, this is what I came up with. I think I should just roll this fabric like this. Yeah, it's like tie at the back. I don't know, friend. I just needed to come up with something. I know. Oh, my hair? What's wrong with my hair? Friend, focus on the dress. Focus on the dress. What? You can fix this? Friend, don't play with me. You can fix this. Okay, I'll go and take it off right now.
Well, there you have it, folks. We have a disaster that needs to be fixed. Did Missdiyzw come through as she said she would? Let's take a look. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That was all we had for you right here at Mini Makeovers, and we hope you enjoyed this episode, because that dress just went from a 0 to 100, and that dress is definitely going to change someone's life. So let us know what you thought about the makeover down in the comment section. Don't be shy. Type in your thoughts. We love to hear from you. Until next time, from me, your host, and the non-existent team behind the scenes, it's bye for now. And don't forget to do all that jazz. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment, share, like. Just show us some love. Bye for real this time.